Are you tired of slaving away in the kitchen to make perfect rice? Do you wish you could enjoy fluffy, delicious rice without the hassle? Say hello to the DCIGNA Mini Rice Cooker, your new kitchen sidekick. This compact wonder is about to revolutionize the way you cook rice and so much more. Get ready for a taste of culinary convenience like never before. Cooking rice has never been this simple. With the DCIGNA Mini Rice Cooker, all you need to do is add your ingredients to the bowl and press a single button. That's it. No more worrying about boiling water, adjusting temperatures, or setting timers. This smart cooker does it all for you. Once the rice is cooked to perfection, it automatically shifts to the warm setting, keeping your rice ready to serve. Hate scrubbing pots and pans after cooking? You're in luck. The cooking pot and steam pan of the DCIGNA rice cooker are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The lid liner is also removable for easy cleaning. Plus, this mini rice cooker comes with a dishwasher-safe rice measuring cup and rice paddle, ensuring you have all the tools you need for a hassle-free cooking and cleanup experience. This mini rice cooker may be small in size, but it's big on capacity. It can comfortably cook 2-6 cups of delicious, fluffy rice. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or a small gathering, this cooker can handle it. The easy-to-hold carrying handle makes it convenient to take with you to parties or other occasions. Enjoy perfectly cooked rice anywhere you go. The DCIGNA Mini Rice Cooker isn't just for rice. It's a multifunctional powerhouse that can prepare oatmeal, stew, soup, quinoa, pasta, steamed veggies, and more. Your culinary possibilities are endless. Say goodbye to single-use appliances and hello to a versatile cooking companion. With dimensions of 7.9 inches height of 6.8 inches wide and a capacity of 1.2 liters, this mini rice cooker is the perfect fit for 1 to 2 people. It's compact and easy to carry with its comfortable handle. Whether you're in your first apartment, a small kitchen, a college dorm, or traveling in a camper or RV, this cooker is a must-have for quick, delicious meals. Worried about your rice getting cold or overcooked? The DCIGNA Mini Rice Cooker features a keep warm function with an indicator light. Your dishes will stay at the perfect temperature until you're ready to enjoy them, ensuring a healthy and perfect meal every time. Our 200-watt mini rice cooker comes with a rice paddle, steaming pan, measuring cup, and a removable pot with FOA-free non-stick coating. We back our mini rice cooker with a 30-day manufacturer warranty and provide 24/7 customer service. In conclusion, the DCIGNA Mini Rice Cooker is a game-changer for anyone who loves the taste of perfectly cooked rice without the hassle. It's a compact powerhouse that's perfect for small kitchens, dorm life, and on-the-go cooking. Say goodbye to kitchen stress and hello to culinary convenience. Order your DCIGNA Mini Rice Cooker today and experience the magic of effortless cooking.